Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to sign out and turn off Synchronize in Chrome browser on your mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Chrome browser. I'm going to click on here to open my Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on Synchronize. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here and make sure you click on sign out and turn off Synchronize. And with that, sign out and turn off Synchronize, your bookmark, history, and other Chrome data will no longer be synchronized to your Google account. Also delete your Chrome data from this device. Then you can also click on here. Then the next thing you can do is to simply click on continue. And once you click on continue, all the data and the synchronized information as far as this Chrome browser is concerned is going to be wiped off. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to sign out and turn off your Synchronize in Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.